so today, happy Black Friday season. I sold 16 wigs for the week of Black Friday, and last year I sold 0. So guess what that means? Growth. So the next couple YouTube videos are gonna be me styling my wigs that my clients ordered. So I'm super excited. So you know, if you leave it to me, I'm gonna do a middle part, okay? But this client wanted a side part. Oh my gosh, and they wanted baby hair, so you know I'm not a baby hair girl, but I'm gonna make it do what it do. So y'all stay tuned. It is a closure unit. Most of the wigs that I sold were closures. So I'm gonna do that little thing where the closure is all the way down here and you just do the woo-dee-woo-dee-woo-dee-woo, okay? You know what? I think I'm gonna change the head to a head that's, cause this is a small head, but the wig is medium. So give me a second, let me change the head to a medium head so that the baby hairs and everything is more accurate. Now that I got my part down, y'all, as you can see, it's nice and clean. You want a nice clean part. I'm just gonna flatten the lace. So the next step is flattening the lace. Now, I'm just gonna use my wax stick. Ebb spray, not too much. Use the back of that hot comb to make it flat. Press the back of that hot comb into the hair. So use the comb and then follow through with the back of the hot comb and press it through. Alright, so now that we got the lace flat, and baby was that tricky because damn it, that was so tricky, but I did my little one too. So now that we got the lace flat, we are going to cut the layers so we could go ahead and get started with blow drying, okay? I love cutting layers, y'all. It's like art. It's so satisfying, I must say. Now, I don't have special scissors, but I do have, I guess, somewhat quality scissors. I would say that. When cutting layers, I'm not a professional layer cutter, but I can get the job done with the way that I cut my layers. You never want to go too high. You want to go just right. So you can use the head as a you know, as an anchor or whatever, as a measuring thing, and just, you could probably start at the bottom of the head, depending on how high your client wants them. I like my layers like up here because I love a curtain look, okay? But you know, not everybody cares for that, so just be mindful of that when you're cutting your layers. So what I like to do is get it like this, and just make sure you really cut that hair. Really chop it, and make sure that it's cutting all the hair, and you're not leaving any hair behind. It's very easy to accidentally leave some straight hair behind. Annoying, but yeah, and that's literally it. And then you go on to the next side and you literally do the same thing. Literally the same thing. So just make sure you're paying attention and you're actually, you know, cutting that hair. Don't be scared. Do not be scared to actually cut that hair. And also make sure you cut the layer all the way to the bottom. Because I just grabbed like half of the front, so the back still needs to kind of be cut up. And when you're doing the bang, I would say kind of maybe cut the bang a little bit higher since it's a bang. That's, you know, so we're gonna use this serum so that we don't have a lot of flyaways. Okay. We're gonna put it in our hair. Make sure it's saturated. Don't just put it in one spot and then that one spot is super greasy. Do not do that. Make sure it is saturated really nicely all throughout the wig, on the inside and everything. side part and you're curling the front, this is your preference, but a lot of the girls like that bang literally covering their whole soul. So if I don't know if y'all noticed when I was flattening the lace, I was trying to push the hair like towards the front instead of the side, because a lot of these girls like the curl right in their face. I know, it's crazy to me, but that's literally what they like. They like it literally like, it's crazy. I don't know, but that's what they like, so I'll be trying to do what they like. So the way I'm gonna curl these curls on top of each other instead of like side to side. So basically, but I wanna make sure my lace is like, the foundation of the lace being hot combed is correct, because that's important. Okay, so I had to cut the camera off because I was getting very frustrated, but this is the best I can do, and this is what I ended up using, because for some reason my wigs, because they're pre-plucked, I don't have a lot of lace to work with. So when I'm trying to lay the baby hairs, I'm catching the end of the net, and it's very frustrating. So I had to really just make that work. So this is what I ended up using. I tried mousse, I tried hairspray, but this is all I could do. And because of that, she's not getting no sideburns, because I ain't got time for that. So now we're gonna comb it out. I'm gonna transfer this to the mannequin head. Let me go get it. Not about to stress me out, Lord. Do not add on baby hairs to none of these damn wigs.